Hello everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 11th, 2020. The third Sudoku is a 3-star Sudoku. Let me position the camera and focus on the puzzle. This one will be number 1508. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The previous Sudoku has 26. This one I think 25. Let me check. 4 plus 3 is 7. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Plus 3 is 13. Plus 4 is 17. Plus 2 is 19. Plus 2 is 21. 21 plus 4 is equal to 25. Correct. So let's get started. We have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the third row, so in the row between, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. Two in this column, first column, 2. In the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the row between, the middle row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Then this big square, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this column, so no 1 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 1 goes there. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. And the 9 is missing. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Seven in this column, 7 in the column next, so in the last column, only place for the 7 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Three missing numbers in this row. The numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 9. I see here the 1 and the 4, so no 1 and the 4 in this box. One digit left should be the 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 4 goes there. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2. 1 4 1 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second, in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 9 and 6. 2 8 5 5 5. 7. Four, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only place for the 5 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes, so the 5 could be here or could be there. In one of these 2 boxes is a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in one of these 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this row, so no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. That means these 2 boxes in this big square are left for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the numbers. Number 7 in this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7. Five, 7. These two numbers in this column, the 9 and a 1. Let me mark them for you. 9 and a 1. 5, 6, and 3. 6 and 9. 3, 3, 3, 3. 8, 5, 6. One number left in the third column for the number 1. Yes, that means this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be the 4. One number left in this row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and then 9 goes there. 1, 9, and 5. 1, 9, 5. 1, 9, 5. 1, 6, 5. 1, 6, 5 are missing. 9 and a 4. That means 1, 6, 5 are left in this big square. 1, 6, 5. These two should be 9 and a 4. Cannot fill this. Let me mark them. 9 and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 3, 1, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. 6 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this first row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. 6 and a 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column, only place for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 1. That means these 2 numbers, 9 and 1, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, second row, 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 7 goes there. 9 and 2 numbers left in this column, 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. So this can't be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be the 4. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left. The last 2 numbers of this big square. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. Bye bye for now.